In this segment on the PartSim circuit simulator, I'm going to start by looking at some of the capabilities of the AC source for transient circuit analysis. I'm going to build a simple circuit that includes a source and a resistor, and then use that to demonstrate some of these capabilities. So let's get started by building a circuit. I'm going to drag in a simple source and a resistor. I'll connect the circuit together. Label this net vout and connect the required ground symbol. Now I have a simple circuit for testing. Next, let's set some of the parameters of the V1 voltage source. I'm going to disable the DC and AC, and I'm going to select the sine wave tab of the transient source. I have set the offset to 1 volt, the amplitude to 1 volt, and this is the peak amplitude, not the peak to peak. The frequency is 1 kilohertz, the delay is 1 millisecond, and the damping factor is 100. Now I'm going to run a transient simulation with a stop time of 50 milliseconds and time step of 100 microseconds. So this will give us about 500 steps. In this simulation, you can see a fairly significant damping of the sine wave output, as well as a delay of about 1 millisecond. I can reduce the damping by, say, a factor of 10 and increase the delay by a few milliseconds. And we can see that the signal is damped much less and is delayed further. I can, of course, eliminate the damping and the delay. And naturally, I can change the frequency. And the voltage. Here we see that the offset has changed. It's now about 0.4 volts, and the peak voltage is 1.15, which gives us about a 0.75 amplitude.